Teach me past perfect continuous tense. Teach me in English, but also keep Hindi explanation running. Give me a lot of example sentences. Please remember, don't have to give me generic example sentences. I am an artist and I create paintings and a lot of things. So I keep interacting with a lot of customers and clients. Can you teach me this tense in a way that I can use it in my real practical life? So, friends, I keep changing the idea and explanation. Sometimes I tell AI I'm an artist. Sometimes I say I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer. So that you, as an artist, doctor, lawyer, can understand that anybody and everybody can today utilize artificial intelligence to improve your communication skills. Let's see how it has taught us. Past perfect continuous is equal to something that was going on for some time before another past moment. कोई काम पास्ट में चल रहा था, थोड़ी देर तक कंटिन्यू हुआ और बाद में बंद भी हो गया पास्ट में. दैट्स कॉल्ड पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. And the structure is this: you use subject, then you put had been only, and then you put ing with verb. I had been talking to my friend for 2 hours. We had been discussing yesterday for 3 hours. Here you see more examples from an artist's life. I had been waiting for the client's confirmation for 2 weeks before they finally replied. Or more realistically, you can say I had been waiting for the client's payment, which doesn't happen. So you can use these kind of examples. I had been working on that painting all night when the client suddenly asked for changes. I'd been discussing the concept with the client for days before we finalized the budget. And if you see, Hindi explanations are also simultaneously running. मैं कई दिनों से client का concept discuss कर रहा था. Explaining revision fatigue politely. I had been revising the design multiple times before I realized the brief was not clear. मैं डिज़ाइन को बार बार रिवाइज कर रहा था, तब मुझे समझ में आया. So the point is that if you use AI to improve your English and learn complex grammar topics, and if you try to customize the explanations as per your requirement, I think that will help you a lot. Look at the examples it is giving. These are examples that you can literally apply in your real life. So use AI and use other AI tools, chatbots and everything to improve your grammar, communication, and especially to improve your speaking practice skills and become a confident, fluent, and independent speaker. Thank you.